In this video, I explain the difference of sort and sorted function in Python. So here is the list name underscore cities. These four are the cities. We have this list and we want to sort. One thing remember that sort command is used sort data of list alphabetic order in alphabetic order. So first write the name of list which is name underscore cities dot sort function used. Now we print our list name underscore cities. Here, as you know, these are four cities are arranged in alphabetic order. The sort function is used to arrange list in alphabetic order and sort function permanently arrange the list. If you want to get original order, then you take reverse function in your code to get the original list. We will discuss this reverse function in my next video. Now we check the sorted function, because this video is about the difference between sort and sorted. So I make another list name underscore cities. Now we print our list name underscore cities. So we print our list name underscore cities. Now we use sorted function. Is dot here is little error in code. Print the name of list name for cities. As you know, it is arranged in alphabetic order: Karachi, London, and Paris. We again print command to print city, our list name underscore cities. It is in original order: London, Paris, and Karachi. So remember that sort function is used to arrange list in alphabetical order permanently, but sorted function is used to arrange list alphabetic order temporarily. So this is the difference between the sort and sorted function. If you like video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel Statisticians Club. Thanks for watching.